Wait for Chloe. You still got a whole entire BMW, guys.
We're videoing it. Ready?
I'm already
One,
videoing.
2, 3. Oh! Run! Wait, what? Back up, guys. Back up. Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Throw some more.
Who?
Guys, put more in.
No, that's mine. That's mine. Give me it. Put it in. Oh crap, that's not in.
Oh crap, we need to put that in.
Throw some more in.
Yeah.
No, that's mine to throw.
Oh God, no.
Oh yeah, buddy.
That's enough. That's enough. I think.
That's our homework. And it's softball. Yeah. Wait. Johnny, so late. What'd you throw in?
A ton of snow.
Okay, guys.
All right, stop it. We're gonna smother it.
All right. This is the last of my stuff.
Last.
This is the last of my stuff. Come
Oh,
on.
a bunch more.
All right, throw it in.
This is the
Wait
last
for it
of
to
my stuff.
burn, guys.
Yeah, guys, stop.
Wait a minute. Wait for it to get burning well.
We hate math.
Nick.
We're all amazing.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Crap! Oh, I thought on the camera it looked like it was falling out.
That is sick.
Ready?
Bye all the schoolwork I spent a ton of time on. Wait, guys, make sure it's all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in.
Like that one's not.
Here, I need to throw a bunch of wood on here.
Yeah, or else it's all gonna just go out.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Damn.
If we smother
Shane!
Shane!
Give me a stick. Give me a stick.
You can pick it up with your hands.
I don't care.
If it gets out, we can just stomp on it.
Put some wood in.
Yeah, put some wood in, guys. Yeah, that is what I call a paper homework bonfire.
Yeah,
That is
I hope my
homework.
teacher sees this. I'm posting this on YouTube.
I'm showing this to the teacher.
You know you could get in trouble for that.
What?
Showing this to the teacher.
No, you can't.
Guys, see all this? See all this? Yeah, this is going in. Bye.
Bye-bye, BMW. Wait.
See this? This is all going.
Dude, that's mine. Let me throw
I don't care.
Guys!
Shane, you're yelling and you're going on
All right,
YouTube.
no more.
I don't care. This is
No,
Wait, we
no
need wood.
more.
We need wood. It's gonna smother.
Wait,
Yeah, it's gonna
I'm
smother if we
get
don't put
one
wood in
more.
there. Come on.
I'm gonna use one more. Guys, wait for it to burn out.
Yeah. I need.
That
Oh
is
my
all
God.
our homework for the year.
That is what we call. Not
And
for the year.
That's
Some of
just 4 kids.
Yeah. No, that's not 4 kids.
Yeah.
That's 6 kids.
That's 4 kids.
No, that's 5. Deepak gave me some of his.
7. Nick and Jaden.
They gave you your stuff. They gave you.
No, he only gave me
It's
like 3
homework.
papers.
I don't care. I hate it.
All right, should I put the wood in now?
Wait. No, get it.
No.
What? Oh. Unsack. Ready? Wait, no, that's probably not a good idea.
I have a bunch of wood to put in.
I want to put.
Oh, yeah, we should fan that.
Yeah, let's
That's
throw
not a
some
good
wood
idea.
in now.
Yeah, throw some
That
wood.
was the fire stick.
No, it wasn't. I found it out the pile, idiot. Shane, the fire stick is right here.
Oh.
And now this is going in.
No,
Don't.
Johnny.
I'm just kidding. No, you weren't.
Let all the paper burn out.
I'm just.
Matthew, are you still videotaping?
Yeah.
Kurt,
What?
did you see that? I just threw like this being it just spiraled. Congrats, not that hard.
John, it doesn't look cool at all.
It's called throwing a spear. It's gonna spin. Wait, who's gonna throw it? Wait, give me that fire stick.
I got the fire
Give me
stick.
the fire stick.
Push this in.
One sec. I'm breaking up some of the paper.
Actually,
We
really.
guys, we burnt all of our homework.
Ah, we still have some over there.
Awesome.
Oh, whoa!
Boy. I got yellow paper. We're gonna put that in a little bit.
Oh, I haven't put my own paper in yet. I have some tomorrow.
Dude, stop.
Here, put it in. Oh, guys, that's what I call a bonfire.
Yellow
Ooh,
paper. Yellow paper.
All right, guys, more paper. It's coming out.
Oh,
Look at that. Get that on film, bro.
Woohoo! Just saying, it looks way
It's
cooler in
green.
real life.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Like, look at it on camera. Look at it on
Oh my-
camera. It looks way cooler.
Yo,
in real life.
back up. Dude, this like. Oh, guys. Text it to Nick. Show him what he's missing.
Yeah. Nick, I'll text her to him after. Where is the freaking yellow paper? Who threw the yellow paper in?
Your mom.
I swear. Ooh, can I throw this in?
Not yet. Wait for all this to burn down
Okay.
because it's like 4 feet high. So. Fine.
Oh yeah, guys.
Are you trying to karate chop it?
You probably can't see. Here.
Yeah, I know. We're letting it burn down.